Okay, let's work with number one. Okay, Sanae, please. Do you agree with that answer?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? So, can you read it, please?
What's your name?
Okay, perfect. What's your name? So, the pronunciation of what and name, it's fully, okay? But we reduce the pronunciation of is and your. Excellent, good. Number two. Carefully, go ahead. Do you agree with that? No. No. Okay, what's the problem? So going is not a content word. We don't pronounce going fully. Okay, so I agree with that. Going is not correct. So it's just go and now. Please drop it out. Oh, okay, no problem. Just read it, please.
I'm going to go now. I'm going to go now.
Okay. And, okay, we read this like gonna sometimes. So we just say, I'm gonna go now. What are the most important words in that sentence? I'm gonna go now. Go now. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. Number three. Okay. Everybody happy with that? Yes? Okay, can you read it, please?
Would you like a cup of tea?
Would you like a cup of tea? Perfect. Like cup of tea. Okay, excellent. Thank you. Number four. Okay, good. Is everybody happy with that? No? What's the problem? No, actually she's correct. What is an important word? So, can you read the sentence, please?
Can you stop what you're doing?
Okay, remember, pronounce stop what you're doing fully and reduce the pronunciation of the other words.
Can you stop what you're doing?
Stop what you're doing?
Stop what you're doing.
Exactly. Can you stop what you're doing?
Stop what you're doing.
Okay. Thank you, good. Thank you. So now, number five. Yeah, okay, go ahead. Do you agree with that? Yeah? Okay, can you read it, please?
I'll ask to have you back.
I'll ask to call you back. Okay, perfect. Good. Excellent. Now, if you understand how stress works in English, what can you tell me about that? What characteristics does stress have in English? Don't be afraid to say something about that. Any idea?
Okay,
Yeah?
maybe those words contain the whole meaning of the sentence. In this case, maybe the words that you mentioned with strong.
Okay, so in English, we pronounce the common words, the lexical words, the word that carries information fully. The pronunciation of these words is very clear. What happens to the pronunciation that are not important? Yes?
Okay, maybe you can join two words in a clap. For example, what's your name? You say, what's your name? You don't say, what is your name?
Exactly, very good point. In Spanish, as we said at the beginning of the lecture, we count by syllables. The way we work with isochrony is by counting the syllables and pronouncing every syllable fully. So, if that sentence were Spanish, we could say that. What is your name? But in English, we don't use that system. That's why we say, what's your name? Excellent. Any other comment?
Well, I can also language with the stress lines here. We can say this word with a loud pronunciation to emphasize what we want to communicate with each word. And for that, some words have the strongest or a loud pronunciation than the other ones.
Okay, perfect. Interesting. Any other ideas? Okay, go ahead.
I think if we see some text, we identify the common words and we can remove the other ones. We get the meaning.
You can understand that. So we can do that exactly the same with oral communication. You just have to focus on what? When listening. On the common words. Focusing on non-important words or function words or structure words. It's just the same. It's not necessary in English. Okay? Yeah?
I was going to say the same thing, that we were able to take out the function words and we just left the content words. We are going to be able to understand the text completely.
Or the oral message. Excellent. Good. Now, follow-up activity. And this is the most important activity. I want you to write an essay, a 5-paragraph essay about a comparison between Spanish isochrony and English isochrony. Spanish stress and English stress. Okay? How stress works in Spanish, if it works, or what do we do to stress words, and how stress works in English. Okay? Remember, a 5-paragraph essay. I'm going to send you the rubric, and you've got to write this with the usual characteristics. Okay? And once you finish the essay, send it to my email. Okay? Yeah? Any questions about the work? Okay. A 5-paragraph essay. The first paragraph, introduction. Then you're going to have 3 paragraphs to compare, to make comparisons between English stress and Spanish stress. And then finally, a concluding paragraph. Okay? Any queries?
No, Professor.
Okay, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow then.
See you tomorrow.